Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Qantas Advantage has successfully closed its initial public offering, raising 2.4 billion Jamaican dollars after the offer was oversubscribed by about 60%. The company had initially aimed to raise $1.5 billion, but strong demand from institutional, high net worth, and retail investors pushed subscriptions roughly $900 million above target. The IPO is being described as the largest initial public equity offer on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in the last 6 years. Qantas Advantage provides financing to businesses across the Caribbean through credit and cash flow-based investments. The company says the funds raised will be used to expand its investment portfolio, strengthen liquidity, and support a growing pipeline of opportunities across the region. Stanley Mata is reporting improved first quarter results, with the property company benefiting from higher rental income and stronger occupancy levels across its portfolio. Rental income jumped to 45% to $237 million, while net profit increased to $145 million compared with $90 million in the similar period last year. Stanley Mata also says continued investment in its 10-story commercial building project helped push total assets to roughly $14 billion. And during the recent Manufacturing 360 conference, Continental Baking Company Chairman and CEO Gary Butch Hendrickson said global knowledge transfer played a major role in shaping both his company and his understanding of manufacturing over the years, and encouraged manufacturers to become more open to foreign expertise and technology as businesses face increasing pressure to remain competitive.
The greatest transfer of knowledge, either on the baking side, the production side, or the engineering side, I am the beneficiary. And I say that when we don't want to bring people into the country, don't do that. What we need to do is encourage our people to learn from them instead of the attitude, well, I really do with our brother, you know. We have this thing about where I come from. Well, I can't bother deal with that. When in God we work it out, you'll never work it out. But for us to manufacture in this country, I don't care how small you are. If you don't think you need technology, you're wasting your time. For you to grow any agricultural product, if you don't think you need technology, you're wasting your money, your time, and everything else. You cannot do it without it. You cannot do it, and you need to be guided, you need to ask. You need to find out what best practice is and go and look at it.
And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Thanks for watching.